What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This is going to be an off-the-cuff type of video just to discuss some of my concerns with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and potentially the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, hit that like button. Is definitely appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. So the Galaxy Z Flip 3, man, it's been some ups, it's been some downs. Mostly ups, but I've noticed that a lot of people have come across an issue with their screen having defects. After a certain amount of usage, the screen will just almost completely crap out in a lot of situations, but mostly it's due to that hinge. Now, for some reason, the hinge mechanism in the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is causing most of the phone's screen to have some kind of a defect or an issue around where the hinge is. In some cases, the screen would look like it's stretching or cracking, even though it's not really cracking because it's not glass, but it will either stretch out or go completely black or completely green. Why is this issue happening when it's supposed to be perfected? I guess the original Z Flip, but we're having these issues, and I'm not sure why so many of you guys in my comments are like, hey, I'm having the same issue, and I've seen so many. So as you can see on this phone, they have issues around the hinge. On this phone, the screen went completely green for some reason. And on these two phones, the screen went almost completely black on one and the screen stretched on the other. Why is this having this issue? I'm not entirely sure, but my question is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 even worth purchasing still? Definitely in 2022, since the new phones are about to come out, I would say no, not any chance. The nostalgia you get from the phone is great, but so many people are having this issue. I do not recommend anyone get this phone. So if you're thinking about getting it because it looks cool and it's nice, yes, I agree, it does look cool, but it is not worth the headache because you know it's very expensive to replace that screen. So in my situation, my wife's phone crapped out completely. It'll either turn off or the phone won't even show the screen, but she can still hear music and stuff like that. So it's been turning off like randomly, so I just don't want to deal with the headache anymore. We're gonna get a new phone today. You guys let me know down in the comments which phone you think you should get, whether it be the S22 Ultra or an iPhone 13. You guys let me know. I'm gonna leave it up to you, but thanks for tuning in. As always, this is your boy. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.